Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I made this 3D Snoopy cake. It's not going to be a voiceover, but I did want to mention some things. So I used modeling chocolate. Remember that modeling chocolate is very temperamental. So if the house is too warm or if your hands are too hot, it is a little bit harder to use, so just keep that in mind. Also, I stacked up the cake and then I carved it out like how you guys see right here, and I used the buttercream. I think it would be better if I would have used chocolate ganache because maybe it would have looked a little bit sharper. I think at the end it turned out really good. So if you guys have any questions, just write them down below and I will be answering them. But I would just let you guys watch the video, and like I said, any questions that you guys have, I will be reading them. Thank you so much for watching. One thing I wanted to mention real quick is that my house was really warm this day, so I had a lot of trouble with my modeling chocolate. So I know some people prefer using fondant, so you could use that. But if you want to use modeling chocolate, I do have the tutorial on my page. It tastes really delicious. Just make sure that you're wearing gloves, and to make it much easier, once you cut out the shape, place it in the fridge for about 2 to 5 minutes, and then place it on the cake. That way it holds its shape and you don't have this problem. And also remember that I am a beginner, so everything that I'm doing, I am also learning with you guys, but I wanted to share it because I thought it turned out so cool. For some reason, I had a really hard time cutting my modeling chocolate, so maybe it was just the warmth of the house. But like I said, make sure that you place it in the fridge so you don't have this issue, and make sure that you're using a really sharp knife.